Today we are going to talk about the Materuni Waterfalls day trip. This is the most famous and favorable waterfalls in Moshi. Materuni Waterfalls is located at Materuni village, which is take 1 hour from Moshi town. So here it is the starting point of hiking Materuni Waterfalls, where it will take about 1 hour of going and getting back to the starting point. Thank you. And finally, we are at Materuni Waterfalls, as you can see. At Materuni Waterfalls, there are 2 major activities, which is hiking down to Materuni Waterfalls and a coffee cultural tour. In a coffee cultural tour, we are going to prepare a cup of coffee, which is prepared through a traditional settings of Materuni Waterfalls. Thank you. In Materuni village, they also have their traditional beer, which called Mbege. Thank you. With love from Tanzania Pure Nature and Travel Agents, we would love to wish you a very, very happy Valentine's.